So, yes, like the title said, I'm going to be opening it up, Pokemon products that I made myself, and warning, these are cards that I have pulled before, so, yeah, so these are cards that I pulled before. It's just, like, stuff, like packs and stuff, but, so yeah, I literally, oh wait, 1 second. I literally did this all by myself. I just grabbed my Gatorade because this took a long time to make all of these. So I was drinking some of my Gatorade. Okay. What the? Okay. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna open these up. And let me show you what I got here. I made all of these by myself. No help. No help with the tape. No help with making the packs. No help with anything. My parents are downstairs and I'm upstairs in my room by myself making these by myself. I have 4 products I made. So I have this. You can read that. I have this 10 Amazing Rare Pokemon card. A 3-pack, because there actually is 3 packs. Pokemon's new Elite 3-pack. So there's 3 packs inside there. And this one is going to be the last one. I'll tell the order I'll open them up in. So I'm going to open up this one first. This one second. This one third. This one for last. But this one is Pokemon's Elite Extra Awesomeness. It says 1 jumbo card, 1 coin, 20 random cards, 2 rare cards, 2 code cards, 2 sleeves. So that's good. So yeah, let's open these up. Okay, first one. Pokemon's new Elite Awesomeness. 1 jumbo, meant to say card. 1 jumbo card, 2 sleeves, 1 promo card, 5 random cards. So here we go. Let's open this up. And yes, again, I made all this completely by myself. Okay. Wow, I sealed all of these really good. Like it's a real product. Like I sealed them real good. Okay. So here is our sleeves. These are the ones from that Elite Trainer box I opened up recently. On most craziest opening up in a long time. And that Elite Trainer box got those and the other 3 packs. Three packs. So there's 2 sleeves. Here's the 5 random cards. These are not rare at all. It's just commons. And these cards are all from all different sets. Wait, hold on a second. I'll just look at something. Nah. Okay. Right here is our promo. This was from the 3-pack that I opened up in that video. Eevee. And here is our jumbo card. I know what all these cards are, but dun, 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 dun. This was actually from my 2nd ever Pokemon product that I ever opened up. This jumbo card. So this is a big memory to me. My first ever Pokemon cards was like a deck and 2 promos. It was, yeah. that was like my first ever one. I don't even know if they sell them anymore because it's like really old. And it was like a mix of all cards and stuff, kind of like these packs. But this was my second ever product. It had the 4 packs, you know, 4 different packs. So there we go. So yes, okay. Now let's open up this 3-pack I did. I sealed this very well too. See, I like put a piece of, let me read it. Pokemon's new Elite 3-pack. So a piece of, how to tape this really good was I put a piece of tape here, here, here. I folded these, so piece of tape there and piece of tape there. And then, yeah, I was like folding this and like here, yeah. It took me like either an hour or like 50 minutes. Either an hour or 50 minutes to make all this stuff. But this one took me the longest to make. Okay. Actually get to open, like really open up something because these are like packs I made. So every single pack here is random. So it doesn't have a name because on all the packs it just says random Pokemon cards, 10 game cards. Random Pokemon cards. It says it on all of the packs. Except for the other one that has all 10 rares. So, there we go. I'm gonna mix these up. See what order I do them in, like I always do. Okay, this one's first. There is no card trick because I didn't try to figure them out because I did put a rare in all of them. So I'm just gonna scroll through them. Okay, so this is a cool card actually. Reverse trainer. You can already see it. Oh, and here's the V. And so scroll through these other V. And this one. So that was that pack. This one's next. And then this one's last. Okay. Okay. So here's the first one. Not rare actually. There's a rare. Ooh. That's cool. And here's the V. Okay, so, and here's the last one. Jeez, that's loud down there. Sorry, guys. There's some crazy people down there. Wait, I need a... Oh, jeez. Drink of this. I'm gonna do a bottle flipping video of that. Okay. So this rare card, here's the backstory about the rare card, is I pulled it. I didn't even have a YouTube channel yet. I was actually at my best friend's birthday party, and he gave out everybody a Pokemon pack. And and I pulled this card, and my friend was like, "No way." Good thing the rare card's actually the very last card, but it's a really rare card. My first. So yeah, let's do it. I can see the sleep. Okay. Ah! Yeah, you guys know what type it is. Like if it's like a hollow, or, yeah, you know. Ah. Oh, you saw it. Yes, it was before I even had a YouTube channel. Isn't that crazy though? Actually, I'm gonna take it out of the sleeve just for 1 second. I'm gonna put it back. I just haven't touched it in a long time. I mean, I got this card when I was 6, and I'm turning 8 August 24th, and that's very soon. Awesome card. Not in the best conditioning. Like, there's white at the two. There's white at the 2 bottom corners and the top left corner. And on the side, like right here. You guys can't see it, and it's basically it. There's like a scratch in it, a little scratch, but that's all. But yeah, crazy card. Before I even had a YouTube channel, I got it. I was 6 years old. Well, I was 6 years old when I started my YouTube channel. Wait, was I 6? Yeah, I was. Wait. Yeah, I was 6. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna do this big one that is not sealed good at all. Like stuff is already coming out. Gotta slide it back in. But here it is. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay, is that big blue one? I have to open it up right now because everything's sliding out of it. I had a lot of trouble sealing this one up. So yeah. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna be able to handle this. Okay, hold on 1 sec. Okay. Okay, so here is our 20 cards. Oh wait, here. So here's our sleeves in the Elite Trainer box. Here is our coin. Okay, here's the jumbo. You know these 4-packs things that comes with this jumbo? I actually ordered the 4-pack on Amazon actually. Here is our 2 code cards. They're actually green ones. So green, but still code cards. That haven't actually redeemed. You can get a chance before I redeem them. So you better redeem them quick before I do. So one more time, because I don't know if I got it really good. Oh, okay. Here's our cards. 20 cards. And then the 2 rares. There's no rares in it. It's just a random deck of 20 cards. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that card again. Oh, we just got 2 of those. Upside down. What's that? Upside down. Upside down. And this is actually rare, actually. So kind of lied there. Okay, last one. Last product. Oh, wait, no, I didn't show the two rares. Okay. Here's our first one. And second one, I didn't pull this. My grandma gave me this, actually. I don't know how she got it. But she actually got this for, I don't know if she opened up a pack. I have no idea. But she just gave me this. And another card. But there it is. Okay, this one I'm most excited for. 10 amazing rare Pokemon cards. So all 10 of these cards are rare. And I put really rare ones, by the way. Oh. First one. God. Ah, shoot. Hold on. Crazy people that are rare. You know what? I have to do it. You're so loud down there. Okay, there the opening was, and hope you enjoyed it, and bye.